Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have my Allure box for September, and Camille is right here, and Smudge is very close by, and they've been arguing back and forth, as you might see, for flying. And I got a letter from Allure on September 1 saying that this box would be delayed, but it really isn't very, if it's delayed, it's only a couple of days, you know, because of the holiday was right at the beginning of the month. So with this September box, we got to choose a product. And that doesn't happen often. I think maybe in the last year, maybe we've chosen 2 or 3 times. So let's see what's in it. I did cut it open. I have seen, I watch them, I see them on Instagram, so I know what some of the things are going to be. Here's what it looks like inside. There's always a nice brochure. Thank goodness they're still doing that. I like that they're still doing that. And there's always a pretty lady on the front, and then it has our information inside. And somewhere on here, and this one I can actually read, it says 0923 version D. Usually it's a number 1 or 2 or 3. But this is version D. Not quite sure what the D is for, so let's see if we can figure it out. There's also a card with they have a wonderful GQ box. Actually, Carol Gardner just showed this. If I remember, I'll put her video below so you can go see it. She got this for her husband, Dave, and actually he's getting it. This one is maybe a one-time box, but I believe he's getting it through the subscription, and I believe it's quarterly for men. So, you know, they have great boxes on sale. They have a brand new favorites box, like all the best of box or something like that. And sorry, we'll have to get down. So go check that out. If you have to be a member, I think, to buy those things, I think. But AllureBeautyBox.com will let you know. Okay, so I chose, let's see, out of the things that we could choose, there was just one item we could choose. Okay, I'm looking at my little book here, and it looks like maybe version D is because of what I got. So you could choose the brand Kulfi Kajal, K-A-J-A-L. It was an eyeliner, and it was in cheeky, and it was, that color was like a brown. At least that's what it appeared on camera on their website. Then they also had what I picked, Rare Beauty Volumizing Mascara. And then I went back in and changed my mind and chose the third choice. I decided I have a lot of mascaras right now, so let me get this third choice. So this is it here. Boy, this box doesn't look very like there's much in there. Well, they give you some, you know, these coupons. But this is what I chose. This is the same, oh no, it's different. Kaja Beauty Bento Box. This is a bouncy shimmer eyeshadow trio in chocolate dahlia. And we have seen this before. I personally have not gotten this at all. But I've seen it in Boxycharm, and the packaging is adorable. And let's see what it looks like in there. It's super cute, and I really thought it would make a great item for a giveaway, or again, it's a great traveling type item. If I can get it open, I will show you what I mean. It is adorable, and y'all may have gotten these. Oh, it's sealed, of course. Okay, well, here it is, and it has a seal on it. So I'm going to break the seal. I don't know if I'll use it, but I'm going to show you what's in here. And if I give it away, y'all know I broke the seal, but I haven't touched it. I won't touch the inside. I'm just going to show you. I'll have to hang on. So it had this really nice seal on it, this nice metal strip, which is really nice. But this is how cute it is. Isn't that cute? Camille, don't get in my way, love. I already had to put her down once. Okay, and when you open it, the top has a mirror, and it is a gorgeous shimmer. That's a beautiful, nice neutral shimmer. And then there is a nice neutral base, is your second color. And then the third color, they all lock, which is nice. The third color, and there is a color saver with each, is a dark chocolate brown. And when I went to take this color saver off, I hid it. So let's just swatch it, y'all. I don't like my eyeshadow right now. I might put this on now. We'll just swatch since I messed it up, because this is great for traveling. Okay, Camille, she messes up all my makeup. That's just how it is. Okay, so this is how it is when it's all open, and then it closes very nicely. And these are the colors. Very, very pretty. Nice neutrals. Beautiful. Hey, they are nice. Very, very nice. So it's mine. It's mine. Thank you, Camille. I really got it for one of y'all, but you know, this is how it is when you have rotten little babies around. Right, Camille? Okay, let's move on. Well, let me tell you a little bit more about it. It is valued at $26. It says why you'll love it. This eyeshadow tower is a fun, not to mention gorgeous reimagining of an eyeshadow palette. It's no bigger than a pot of lip balm, perfect for throwing into a bag, but the powders inside have big time color payoff that doesn't crease even after a full day of wear. That's nice to know. They are pretty colors. It is, I didn't even tell you anything about this because of the cats just throw me. Begin again. As summer fades and fall quickly approaches, it's the perfect opportunity to push reset on your beauty routine. So, you know, there's the editor talks, you know, and then these products are picked by people that work at the magazine. So, at Allure magazine. So let's see what we have next. This is next. This is Eve Lom. Eve Lom is nice stuff here. This is 50 ml. This is a full size, and this is valued at $58. So I paid $25 for this box. I actually paid less because I bought it by the year, so I paid a lot less. This is a rescue mask, and I can see in here it's full. Just this one little corner doesn't have anything in it. It says this face mask is a brilliant solution for stressed out skin. It uses kaolin clay to help reduce the oiliness in your T-zone that can lead to breakouts without leaving your face feeling totally parched in the process. You know, I love this box, but they are tending for younger people now. The last few boxes have had a lot of anti-acne things. So, but this is a very wonderful product, a wonderful company. This is, you leave it on for 20 minutes and then wash it off, massage it into your skin, leave it on 20 minutes. Okay, so that's nice. I really won't use it, but you know, that's what happens. Next up we have this product. Uh-oh, it's stuck in there. This is a little thing. If I could lock her up, I may have to start locking her up, y'all. Then you'll be mad at me. This is Keels or Kyle's, people say a different way. Since 1851, Midnight Recovery Concentrate Moisturizing Face Oil. This is just a sample, 1.7 ounces is a full size for $88. This is an itty bitty thing. This is weird because it doesn't open. How do you get it out of here? Okay, so this is it. Cute. It's a little vial, and it looks like it's a clear oil. The bottle has some blue on it, but you can see it. Well, it's clear at the bottom and the top. You can see that. So you can see it's a clear oil. It says, press several drops into your face, neck, and décolletage. While you catch some Z's, Keels face oil, a blend of lavender, evening primrose, and rosemary oils. Make sure your skin gets a good night's sleep. And the quick to absorb formula sinks right into your skin, not your pillow. So that is nice. And I don't know how big that is because I don't see that it says 0.14 fluid ounces. 0.14. That's very small compared to the full size is 1.7. So, all right, it's got a little value to it. Next we have this. This is the brand Kristen S, also a very nice brand. It's a Strand Strengthening Reconstructive Moisture Mask. Hair damage may be inevitable from heat styling, coloring your hair, and everyday habits, blah, blah, blah. It's infused with hydrating coconut oil and shea butter. Okay, and you can extend the time till your next trim. Use it once a week, it says. Replace your conditioner. So $15 for 6.7 ounces, and this is 0.9 ounces. In this box, you are supposed to get 3 full-size products and 3 deluxe samples. So I do have that. And next we have this brand Rail Collagen Sheet Mask. I've had this before from Fab Fit Fun. These are nice masks. This is valued at $15.99. This is a full size. No, I'm sorry, $15.99 is for 5 sheet masks. So this is 1 out of a package of 5. The radiant results you'll get from this easy-to-use mask rival a luxurious facial. Licorice root extracts smooth skin with amino acids, while amino acids plump. So it's $3 and some change. So, you know, I would consider that full size, but they're not considering that full size, which is nice. And then our last product is a Mud Masky product. And what kind is it? Mud Masky is a great skincare line. It really is. This is full size, I think. Where does it say? 1.35 ounces. Yes, this is full size and it's valued at $55. Mud Masky's packaging is not the prettiest. It's just very boring. They're all like these tubes. And then you got to figure out what it is. It says it's a serum infused moisturizer. I was introduced to Mud Masky quite a while ago when I first started my channel. I may have gotten it in Glossy Box. I may have gotten it in Look Fantastic. And I just dismissed it. But then I used it and it was fantastic. And it was a basic moisturizer, overnight moisturizer. It was maybe a white tube. I don't really remember. But anyway, I really like the brand. This says this lightweight moisturizer does more than just hydrate with sweet almond and sunflower seed oils. Fruit extracts gently exfoliate, and aloe soothes signs of irritation. Cleanse your face, pat it dry, rub on a thin layer for supple skin. So $55 for this. So we've got our full sizes. This was $26 for this cute bento box that I am keeping. I just love it. I just think it's so cute. And you know, I love neutrals. So this is perfect for me for traveling. Perfect, because it's got what I need in there. That gorgeous shimmer. And it's adorable. I love it. And this is full size. This was expensive, wasn't it? This is $58, and did I say 55? So look at that, $108. Well, $113. 58 and 55, yeah, 113. Then add 26. I mean, this is an expensive box here, y'all. And then this is $3 and change. And then these 2 deluxe samples. This is, for a deluxe sample, this is a good size. The reconstructive moisture mask for your hair once a week. So that'll last. Now, depending on how long your hair is, my hair, this will last me a good while, y'all, because I don't think I would need that much. Oops, I'll be able to tell you about it because it'll last me a while. Whereas someone with long hair, they may use that up in 2 uses, and they won't be able to really tell how great it is. And then this, I'm interested to try this. Nice little, I'll probably really like this in winter when it's very dry inside the house. I think this will be very nice, especially when you go to bed with the lavender. So y'all, that is my Allure for September, and I will take pictures and show it on Instagram if you'd like to see these products up a little bit closer. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And see, now, when we want to say goodbye, where are the cats to say goodbye to you? Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.